We're on the famed High Line in New York City talking to homeowners about checkups and tune-ups. What types of things do you regularly get tuned up or checked up?
My health.
My car.
My body, of course.
We get a regular doctor checkup to make sure you're staying healthy.
Do you tune up your heating system?
I don't.
I could not tell you the last time we tuned up the furnace.
No idea about furnace tune-ups.
I didn't think I needed it, really.
I never even thought of it that way. I'm like if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Well, furnace is one of those things, as long as it's running, you don't really pay attention to.
What happens when it breaks down? Does it get your attention?
Oh, absolutely then.
Regular tuning of the heating system would make sense because just like cars, it would prevent the problems down the road.
Faulty heating system can emit harmful carbon monoxide, which is odorless, tasteless, and it can kill you.
Carbon monoxide from a boiler?
I did not know about that particular danger, and it's very scary to hear about it.
I was not aware of that. Not aware.
I think a tune-up on the heating system would be a good idea.
We had a tune-up on our heating system about a year ago
And why did you do that?
because our old heating system almost caught on fire. Seriously.
Tune-up is so much less expensive than an emergency repair, at least a quarter of the cost, probably even less than that. I mean, they can be a lot.
The emergency repair cost me $3,000.
Oh, about $13,000.
I hope that I never experience that again.
Get that furnace check! Get that furnace check! Get that furnace check! National Tune-Up Day today. That's right! Stay warm. Stay safe. Tune up.
What about you?